A day after our failed visit to Hessarghata, Ajay Chacha invited us to visit the Gayatri Pariwar he is associated with. Coming up, a short visit to Gayatri Consciousness Centre Bangalore. Located at Chikka, Begur, garden layout, Gayatri Consciousness Centre is the Bangalore chapter of Gayatri Pariwar. Gayatri Pariwar is a living model of a futuristic society being guided by principles of human unity and equality. Founded by Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya, this mission has emerged as a mass movement followed by many. Link to the place mentioned in the description. We reached late, so went straight to the Havan.
मंत्र से आहुतियां सबके सुख शांति के लिए, सबके उज्जवल भविष्य, सबके दीर्घ जीवन के लिए। ओम त्र्यंबक इदं महामृत्युंजयाय इदं नमः। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्। दोस्तों 2 महीने का एक आशीर्वाद पत्र और इन बहनों को आप 2-3 लोग इन बहनों के ऊपर पुष्प वर्षा करो। ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम।
वरुण
Gayatri Parivar, a modern adoption of the age-old good wisdom of Vedic Rishis. We participated in the Havan. The people were welcoming, and at first we felt like this lonely lotus, but soon we were invited in and became part of it.
आरती करने वाले हैं, ठीक है। तो आरती वाले आरती के लिए तैयार हो जाएंगे। इसकी मुख्य यजमान है अभी सबसे पहले, इसके हमको करने के बाद में हम लोग आरती को
डैडी को चले जाएंगे।
peaceful and mesmerizing. Post the Havan, Ajay Chacha gave us a short tour of the place. The Bangalore Centre has accommodation facilities for outstation visitors. A big meditation yoga hall and a good stocked library from which one can purchase or lend books catering from kids to adult.
मैप तो भेजा था उसको मैंने।
The centre has its Goshala, cow shed. Food is served for all the patrons. All these activities are service-based and one can take part in one and all the services. Here's the daily schedule of the place. We had a good time visiting the place and had really felt that the mission of treating the entire world as one's family. After spending 2 to 3 hours at this place, we've returned back.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.